Hello everyone, this is Deb and I'm here with hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. It is Monday, September 30th, and this is hosted, it's an open collaboration hosted by Crafty Girl Chronicles, so I'll have her linked below and go check her out as well. And then there's a hashtag, so if you want to see if anyone else participated and what they plan to do for the week of September 30th through to October 6th. And I think I forgot to write something on there, but I'm not sure I'm going to do it yet. Anyway, so this week, today, the 30th, would have been my mother's 96th birthday. I lost her in June of 2020 when she was 91, a couple of months away from being 92. So this week is in memory of her, and she liked pink flowers. So that's the overall theme. So I found these washies. This is gold with a little bit of a hint of pink to it. This is pink floral, and this is gold with pink on it. It's not floral. It just has a little bit left, and I hoped I would finish it, but I didn't. So yeah, next time maybe. Anyway, I used a pink Papermate Flare pen, a pale pink, to kind of it matched the washi good. And as far as gold, because I had gold here, this is from scrapbook.com gold opaque metallic ink marker. I apparently got a set of these. I have like gold, silver, and copper, I think, or bronze. I'm not sure. And then I did bring in stickers from, and I don't remember which ones are from what, but watercolor, budget, because I have a payday, tiny, and this Maggie Holmes. Um, I don't know. I got it at Tuesday morning before they close in, looks like early 2019. So regular 20 and I got it for 7, which isn't a great deal, but oh well. Anyway, pink flowers. So I just put the washi like I usually do on the top, and then I put some here. And I actually, after I did the top washi, I went in and wrote everything I could think of first, and then I put washi and stickers around that. So this is a happy birthday again, and the background of it is pink. Today I did walk. I'm gonna actually put a gold check there, and I did my planner and I'm doing the video now. And then the rest of today, I was thinking of making cards today. However, I can't. I need to get this craft room a little in a little better shape because I just have stuff I mean literally everywhere, and I only have like a third of the craft room is for paper crafts, but then it overflows into my little half room outside the craft room big time. Like that's a mess too. But today I'm not going to worry about that room. I just need to concentrate on this room. And I also need to concentrate on the other 2/3 of the room, which is all for jewelry making. And it's a disaster right now too, because I just have not been paying attention to it. I need to do that because I just need peace of mind. And then in the evening, probably, I really want to do these horrible nails. And this is not a ring. I brought this up to use for something I'm going to make tomorrow because this fell off. We had a little disaster with our coffee pot yesterday. Anyway, we had to wash. I had all the um, oven mitts, hot pads I call them, sitting next to the coffee pot. Well, they all got drenched in coffee grounds and stuff all over them, as well as did 3 different towels we used to clean up part of the mess. Anyway, I had to do laundry, and the dryer does not like metal rings on. I don't like it either because it makes a lot of noise and nicks up the dryer, right? I should have air dried them, but these particular ones are really thick. The other one is still on, but it's hanging on by a thread, so I might just cut it off for next time. But now for what I'm going to do tomorrow, which is make coffee theme charm because we just had National Coffee Day. Oh, before I do that, Mom liked pink nail polish, and so do I. So I'm probably going to do my nails in pink for a little while, and then maybe we'll switch into Halloween mode or something, or fall at least, next week. but plan on it. Pink flower out. This was out of Maggie Holmes, as was this bird, which has a little bit of pink on it. And Mom did like watching birds, backyard birds, which I do too. I always had to fill her bird feeder for her when I went there. This just says "Be brave" every day. Mostly I put it on because it's sort of gold and blue and pink. Pink was actually her favorite color, but as far as nails and flowers, she loved pink. I mean, blue was actually her favorite color, but she loved pink flowers. And I do too. But I also like yellow and other colors. So anyway, different pink flowers. I put one little bow here in a today sticker, which is on crooked. I think because I had to lift it up. That's covering up a little blue flag, which is for this Rosh Hashanah. Begins at sunset for those of you that that applies to. Okay, so tomorrow I'm making, I call it jewelry, but it's coffee themed chunky charms or charms. I might do a one chunky charm and a couple little charms to go on my books that I just made for yesterday because tomorrow, October 1st, it is International Coffee Day and it's International Day of Older Persons, which I am one of. And I'm going to do that live, or hopefully I will do it live. I don't know the time yet, but that'll be on my other channel, Dahlia Designs, Jewelry, and More. So if you like that kind of thing, come join me. I have to look at, for that one and one later, the hours that my audience is mostly on YouTube, and I want to try and do the live then. I know a lot of people are going live, and I don't want to conflict with any of theirs, but I might not be able to help it because some people go live every single day, and I just can't do that. Anyway, I want to get my walk in every day that I can. A couple days this week, it has iffy showers here and there. And today isn't looking too spiffy either, but I managed to get my walk in this morning, even though the ground was wet, it wasn't raining, and I did it. And it's a little, this week is kind of cool. We're getting the tail end of the hurricane, but we did not have anything disastrous. We just have rain for like last week and this week off and on. I need to do one load of laundry tomorrow, probably. And October 1st is my first payday, my little one from my pension that I have. But I'm scheduling for Wednesday, October 2nd to update my September budget. I keep an Excel spreadsheet of budget and then actuals. So I want to update. I try and do it periodically throughout the month, but I need to do the final update for September of everything I paid or everything I charged, that kind of stuff. So final and revisit October and pay the bills that need to be paid. There's a couple that are due early in the month. And then, oh, I forgot to put, I have a small Spellbinders haul. I'm going to do a video right after this one or sometime soon after this one to share that. And then I had commented in a live of Martha Makes Art it was with Gwen the Trash Witch, and we were talking about Halloween stashes and stuff, and I said, well, maybe I'll do, in particular material, I'm pretty sure I have several that I got a year or two or three or more ago. And I have paper and embellishments, and I will pull that all out, and that will be the video for Wednesday on this channel. That'll just be a what's in my Halloween stash. And I need to get it out anyway because I need to start working on something soon. So also, so this day, other than that, this day is going to be about the home, the budget, the clean the litter, vacuum, dust, and mop, and any other home stuff that needs to be done that day. Usually cleaning up the kitchen, pans and stuff from the night before. Maybe I didn't put meal plan in here. Anyway, I'll get back to my top three. Over here, I just put two little stickers up here from that Maggie Holmes book. Love this flower. And here I didn't put in Thursday the deck of the year because I'm already caught up now through October 17th, and I'm not going to work on those this week. But Saturday is World Card Making Day, so I want to design some cards for World Card Making Day using leftovers from the coffee paper, but they're not necessarily going to be coffee cards because there were a lot of florals. In fact, most of the papers left over were florals, so I think I'm going to do some kind of floral cards, maybe, and maybe a coffee one or two for World Card Making Day. And again, that time will be to be determined. And the only other thing I have put on that day is walk for 40 minutes. I'm really committed to walking and eating, and get into that eating healthier. Friday, also no video, and I need to make jewelry all day for the 15th and 18th collaborations. That'll be on Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More. And the 15th, there might also be a video on this channel. That's Passion for Purple, and I'm not the host of that. It's Metal Scrappin' Chick. The 18th is Jewelry Making Fun, and I am the host, but I have 2 months, one from 2 months ago plus this month to catch up on. So I need to get busy on that, and this will probably not finish on this day, but it'll get started. And again, walk. Saturday is World Card Making Day. I will be doing a live on this channel. I just don't know what time yet. I'm kind of thinking mid to late morning for me, which is East Coast, but I might change that to early afternoon because then more of the West Coast people could join in if they choose to. So maybe around 1 Eastern, but I want to check again YouTube to see when most of my viewers are on. I walk 40 minutes, and it's one of these 2 days that had more rain. So one of the days might go, but if I do 6 out of 7 days, I'm doing good. And of those cards that we make, I want to prepare one or two of them right away to send out. One needs to be a thinking of you card for someone, and I don't know what the other one will be yet. Sunday, walk 40 minutes, clean the litter and vacuum. I almost always do that on Wednesdays and Sundays. I do want to really thoroughly clean the bathroom, everything in it, and meal plan for the next week, which I haven't been doing as good at as I was before. Okay, I did make some notes this time. I didn't do my gratitude yet, but I put don't overdo things nor overthink things. And not overdo things. This is why I have a couple days with no videos because I need time, quiet time, really just to make things. And yeah, anyway, and then plan way ahead, not so much last minute stuff. There have been a couple collabs recently where I was making things in the wee hours of the morning on the day that the collab video had to go up. Yeah, that's not fun. Not the coffee one. I might have put some touch up. I might have made the video that day, but I had done it for a couple days prior. Anyway, and then the saying here is, I am climbing a difficult road, that's for sure, but the glory gives me strength. Yeah, okay. Propertious. Okay. And then, so you can think about that if you want to. I am climbing a difficult road. Many of us are, and especially right now, my heart goes out to those that have been impacted severely by these recent tropical storms and things. Anyway, but the glory gives me strength. So I'll leave that for your interpretation. Okay, for my top three, walk and keep at low carb eating. I did pretty good, but there were a couple days I actually did have some bread, even though it was low calorie, low carb, multigrain bread. It still spiked my blood sugar because I'm type 2 diabetic now. Trying to reverse that at the moment. Anyway, and I actually, since April, have lost 19 point something pounds. I would like to lose another few before I see the doctor on the 15th. So, and get my blood sugar. My blood sugar was doing pretty good, and all of a sudden this past week it went up some more, but I'm working on it. I'm working on it. It's better than it was in April and even in July. Do all that is planned this week because I feel it's realistic this week. and then spend a little me time. And then I added a little hug my pet Callie because she is not well and I'm having to give her medicine twice a day now too, which is no fun. She's not loving me too much right now because of it. Apparently, it has a very bitter taste, and she does not like that whole thing. And I have to do it with food, so I don't put it in her food. I give it to her afterwards, and oh, she just hates me for it, and I feel bad. I mean, she lets me pet her sometimes, but not as much as before, and she's not sitting on my lap, and she scared me. I was getting ready to do this, but I couldn't find her. Turns out she's under, my son has a desk in his room and she's under the desk, which she's never laid there before that I know of. Usually she lays with him or on him, or on my bed, or on a blanket she has on the sofa, or if I'm upstairs, she'll sometimes come up and sit on the chair I'm not using. No, I really had trouble finding her. I was even going in closets thinking maybe I closed her in a closet, but I didn't. Thankfully. So, do your cats ever, if you have cats, do they ever do that? Scare you like that? So that's it, everyone. I'm sorry this video is long again. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, I'm dedicating this week to my mother, who would have been 96 today. Okay. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful week ahead. And I will talk to you again soon, probably on this channel. Well, I'll talk to you again soon with this haul, but on this channel also on Wednesday. Okay? Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.